Hi everyone, Rhiannon here with MOPC Network. Today we are unboxing something special, your brand new Nokia Beacon 3.1 Gateway sent straight to your door by MOPC Network. MOPC is rolling out upgrades across our network to provide faster, more reliable internet, and that starts with Wi-Fi in your home. Inside the box you'll find your sleek and powerful Beacon 3.1 Gateway, a power adapter, a network cable, and your quick start guide to get you set up fast. This device is packed with big performance. Wi-Fi 6 technology means faster speeds, better coverage, and a smooth experience across all of your devices. Paired with the Nokia app, you got full control. Set up your network, monitor who's connected, pause Wi-Fi when it's family time, all right from your phone. Just follow the steps in the app and you're ready to enjoy an upgraded Wi-Fi experience. Keep an eye on your inbox. We've sent you everything you need to know, and if you want even more tips, visit mopcnetwork.ca.
At this point, you're going to want to download the Nokia app if you haven't already done that, so you can set up your account. I'm using an iPhone for this demo, but the app is available on all your mobile devices. Go to the App Store and type Nokia Wi-Fi in the search bar. It may auto-populate. Click there. Just make sure that this is the tile icon that you see. Now download it, and once that's done, click Open. If you get a pop-up here about allowing notifications, select Allow. The next pop-up is to allow Nokia Wi-Fi to find devices on your local network. Select Allow, and then click Get Started. Here's our welcome screen, where you can see the terms of service as well as the privacy policy. For the purposes of this demo, we're just going to click Get Started. At this point, we can continue with the unboxing of our new beacon, and we'll come back to the app to finish setup shortly.
Okay, so let's dig in. So first on the very top, you're going to find your quick start guide. This has step-by-step instructions to support you along with the app to get you connected fast. Also inside the box, here is the Nokia 3.1 Gateway. So here's your Nokia Beacon 3.1 Gateway. Very sleek, attractive design. We have on the back the blue port where we will use to plug in your Wi-Fi here shortly, and two other ports that can be used to plug in directly to your computer or other gaming consoles for the highest speeds possible. On the back here you will see a WPS button. So this is for easy connection over Wi-Fi to many of your regular devices you would use throughout your home. That could be your printer, that could be a TV, an appliance, any smart device particularly that's WPS enabled. By hitting this button and going to the corresponding device to hit the similar button, you will have a Wi-Fi connection with one touch. So one thing you do want to note is on the back side of your Nokia Beacon, you will see a reset button with a tiny hole. You should not ever reset this beacon. By doing so, you will clear out your profile and you will lose your internet connection, at which point you will have to contact customer support to get reconnected. If at any point in time you are having issues with your Wi-Fi on your devices or throughout the range throughout your home, please contact your service provider for support. There are other options to improve your Wi-Fi coverage if necessary. At the very bottom of the box, you will find your power adapter, as well as your Ethernet cable to attach to your device and get your internet flowing. All right, so now we're ready to power up our Nokia Beacon in the first step of setup. The first thing we're going to do is find the power port on the back, attach the adapter, and plug the other end into a power source. On the very bottom, you'll find a power button. Make sure the green is showing for power on. Okay, next will be to connect your Ethernet cable. This is an example of two gateways you may see in your home today, and we're going to perform the full swap with these here now. On the back, you'll see the Ethernet cable and a power cord. The first step is to remove the power cord this way from your existing gateway. Once that's powered down, we can remove the Ethernet cable by pressing a little pressure on the latch on the bottom to release the cable. We're then going to plug it in on our new Nokia Beacon in the blue port with just slight pressure until you hear a click.
So now we're back in the app. After hitting Get Started, it wants us to scan the QR code or enter manually. To scan the QR code, hit Scan Code. It'll ask permission to open the camera. Press Allow. Then on the bottom of your beacon, you will see a QR code. Center that inside the frame on the camera, and it will automatically take you to where you need to be. Otherwise, you can hit No QR Code, enter manually, and that's what I'll walk you through today. This screen asks us to provide details about which Wi-Fi point we are setting up. We are setting up a Beacon and Ethernet gateway. So click there and find Beacon 3.1. How will this Wi-Fi point be used? This is going to be used as a Wi-Fi point as a router. So click on the second option and select Next. Again, select Next. At this point, the app will walk you through instructions to complete setup, but we provide this in further detail throughout the video as well. So you can see here that it's preparing the Beacon 3.1, locating it now. Let's get back to our video and complete our setup.
Okay, so now we have completed connecting the gateway with the Ethernet cable on the back side, and we have now seen that the light has gone from white to what appears to be a shade of blue. The booklet does call for green, but to me it looks a little more blue. So if that's what you're seeing, then you are all done successful. So at this point, with the light showing the correct color, you have now completed the setup of your Nokia. The booklet does refer to some additional setup steps that will not be required as these units are set out pre-configured. So at this point, you can enjoy your Wi-Fi network. You should be able to find this on any of your Wi-Fi enabled devices, and you should be able to use the password on the very bottom. Wi-Fi key will show underneath of your Wi-Fi beacon name. And if you have any issues connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please contact your service provider for additional support.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get our account set up. Click Next. Enter in your email address. And now your password. Pick something that you're going to remember and make sure that it is secure as well. You're going to get a verification email sent to you to the address that you selected for your account. Once you go into your email and get that verification, your account will be updated and you can select Next. Here you can see our Nokia Beacon 3.1 is visible. Select there and you can name it a custom name or name it for the room that it sits in. Although these devices have an extended Wi-Fi range, there may be circumstances where you need to mesh more than one unit together, and that's where the naming convention comes in handy. So select Next. So now that you have your account set up, you're logged into your new Wi-Fi service, everything's ready to go. Let's take a more in-depth look at this Nokia Wi-Fi app. You can see here on the home screen, everything is laid out in a really user-friendly way. Let's double check, make sure our network is healthy. Everything's looking great. You can click here to check your internet speed. This can take a few seconds to process. But here you can see our download speed and upload speeds are very high. You can see here how many devices are logged on to your network, which devices they are. Here you can create family profiles. You can enable a guest network, and so much more. This app will enable you to have the best Wi-Fi experience possible.